Have a reliable ride for every day and for leisure with the Ecotric Seagull electric mountain bike. This eye-catching electric bike features an MTB-inspired design from the ground up, and a powerful drivetrain for adequate power on paved roads and off-road paths in the city. Speed down the road with the 48V 1000W motor inside the rear hub. It can quickly speed up on the pavement and traverse rough terrain with ease. The Ecotric Seagull electric bike is powered by a 48V lithium-ion battery pack with a 13Ah capacity. It has a range of around 18 to 31 miles, so it is a perfect city bike that will not lose charge halfway in your commute. Bike the way you want with the Ecotric Seagull electric bike. Choose between the twist throttle to travel without getting tired, or the 3-level pedal assist if you enjoy biking. There is also the 7-speed Shimano derailleur with a thumb shifter so you can ride it like an ordinary bike. It features a gorgeous MTB-inspired frame that looks streamlined and futuristic, made of high-strength aluminum with a premium paint finish, so it is great for those who want a capable bike that stands out. The Ecotric Seagull comes with 2.125-inch wide CST all-terrain tires so you can ride it on the countryside and city roads. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.